you all see this video where Reggie and I went to the Handwerkbeurs in Gent. Well, let me show you what I got. Now, I have to say, I have been a little bit naughty. I've used some of it already, but I'm gonna show you anyway. Okay, so I've been very good. I've stayed within budget. Yay me. And I got to know so many new to me businesses that are actually local or very near in the Netherlands, but some Belgian companies as well. Okay, I'm so excited to show you. Let's start. Now, the first thing I got was something I never thought I would get, which is a scrubby yarn. This one is from Rico. And this is a German brand that I only got to know actually the same week in my craft store. If you've seen my shopping video, I also put it right there in the what is that called, in the cart, and you can check it out. So Rico, it was new to me, and I've always expected scrubby yarn to feel like a Brillo pad. But this is actually, it's a lot softer than I thought it would be, and I can't wait to try it. I intend to make soap bags with it, so to use in the shower, make a scrubby soap. I'm not gonna do everything in the order that I actually got it, but the next thing I got was, where is it? The Scheepjes Whirlet in Citrus. And can you guess why I need this? Let me show you. It's for my Valley Flower Cal shawl. If you are a member of Reggie's Facebook group, you will have seen this. This is so beautiful. I am using Scheepjes Whirl in the color Red Velvet Sunrise, but this one cake isn't enough. It's 1,000 meters and you need a little bit more. So I needed one extra whirlet, which is awesome because it's exactly the same color as what the whirl ends with. So this was something that I had to get. And then next, let me show you this hand-dyed yarn I got from Schaap en Draak. I just love these colors. I had the hardest time ever choosing, but I settled for these two minis that I am gonna make, I think, a beanie with. And look at the Stellina. I love Stellina. It's so beautiful and subtle, and it doesn't scratch. I will put the links to the websites of all the companies I mentioned. So this is a merino nylon and Stellina. It's a sock yarn. Very, very, very pretty. Oops. Don't know if I'm gonna knit or crochet, probably crochet. Can't wait to see how this works up. Very pretty. Now then, this is something so unbelievably special in so many different ways. Look at this yarn. I think you can see from a distance how unbelievably soft it is. It is the softest thing I've ever felt. It's like a cloud. And let me surprise you. This is 100% cotton. I did not know cotton could get this soft. I don't know how they did it. I actually asked the salesman. He was the owner of the company. I asked, how do they do it? And he couldn't tell me. He doesn't know either. But look how it looks like cashmere. Actually, I think Reggie called it's like cotton cashmere. Well, she's right. This is so soft. And the way this yarn is spun, it's like a chain spun. It is unbelievable. It's a French brand, Plassard, and it's organic. Now, actually, this company, and let me show you their card. It's called Greener Wool. It's a Belgian company. They only use sustainable brands. They use organic, sustainable yarns. They check out every company they work with, and they actually test the product as well. They had wonderful examples of their wool, and they also have their own wool that they locally source from special sheeps here in Belgium. And I can't rave enough about this company. It is awesome. If you are in Europe, absolutely check them out. They ship internationally. They were so nice, and they have wonderful ranges of colors, and this yarn is absolutely special. This is such a special yarn. And actually, this is one of the things that I have started working with already. And look at the result. I can actually show you how this yarn works up. The stitch definition is fantastic. Even if this yarn has a halo, look at it. Look at that stitch definition. Isn't that wonderful? And on top of everything, it is totally frog friendly. Even with the halo, I will show you actually how frog friendly it is. I don't mind. Look, it doesn't snatch at all. How wonderful is this? Plassard Biologic 100% cotton wool. Check it out, people. It's fantastic. And if you are wondering what this beautiful piece is I am making, well, it's this month's members only pattern from J-Hook Crochet. If you want to get access to this pattern, or if you want to be privy of all the special things that the members get to do, check out her website, her YouTube, and you become a member. The members only are open to all members, no matter what tier you are in. This will become a call, and you can imagine how soft that is gonna be. I'm gonna wear the crap out of this piece. Okay, so enough publicity. Oh, no, another thing I got from Greener Wool is this Addy hook. Now this handle is made from olive tree wood, and they use olive trees that are not productive anymore and so are hundreds of years old. I am holding a piece of history here. This hook is hundreds of years old. Well, the wood is hundreds of years old. And it is so soft. It is so simple and so beautiful. And the hook itself is actually also very nice to use. And it works fine with the way I'm holding my hook. This is from the Addy Nature range. I think they might also have knitting needles with this wood. I have to check it out. A funny story, this thing went missing for a week. I lost it. I couldn't find it. It was in none of my bags. I checked the trunk of the car 3 times, and then all of a sudden yesterday it showed up. It must have been lying like this in the black, on the black fabric of the trunk, and I didn't see it. But I'm so happy I found it. I was actually very, very sad. I might have lost my hook. Okay, so that was Greener Wool. And then there is, let me show you this. we got this beautiful project bag with our purchase. It got socks on it. How fantastic is this fabric? Now the company is called Accessoire, which is a wordplay on the word accessoire, which accessory. And their website you can see right here is accessoire.be. And they had a beautiful range of yarns that aren't that common. And also a lot of beautiful samples of things they made. And I bought this. They were on sale. They had to get rid of them. Merino sock wools. And funny thing is, this yarn is from Bart and Francis, where I also get my mystery yarns. So I got these two. Isn't that pretty? I love yellow and turquoise. We got this complimentary bag, which you can never have too many project bags. I really love it. I also love that it's totally matches the colors of the yarn I got. But on top of that, I got these two cakes. That, yes, I started using already, but let me show you the cakes first. They are Schachenmeier. Mohair Dream. They're 150 grams. And they are a polyacryl mohair wool blend, 800 meters in one cake. I have been wanting to do a double gradient project for ages. And when I went to the fair, I had that in mind to try to find two cakes that would match. And these two match. So now I am making this. It's curling up like crazy, but now you can also see the stitch definition of that mohair yarn. Isn't that pretty? And it's basically you work two cakes at the same time and you use the two gradients that work together. Can you see the color changing here? There you go. I made up my own pattern, but it's kind of Micho Crochet has similar patterns. The armadillo shawl and the windsurfer shawl are kind of in the same idea, but it's different. Now this one is something I made up myself, and I will make a tutorial on it because it's very, very easy to do. It's single crochet and back loop single crochets all the way. Just the tip is double crochet. And there you go. I cannot wait for the colors to start changing drastically. It's gonna be so much fun. This is actually very soft. And I didn't expect this to have such a good stitch definition, but I have to say it is impossible, absolutely impossible to frog. I've made some mistakes. They're gonna stay in there because I will not undo it. Look, when I put these two together, you can see how much the color has changed already. So exciting. Okay, so that was for a accessoire. Then I got this present from Reggie. I am very excited to start using these, but it will have to wait. It's sock rainbows, socks in a box. You get two small cakes that are identical, so you can make one pair of matching socks. And I'm trying to find, here it is. This is what my socks will look like. Color number 53. And don't you love striping socks? And Katja, I love Katja. Katja is a fantastic brand. Now, oh, the bag is empty, but I have another one. This is the last one. If you have watched the video that Reggie made, you saw that we did a dyeing workshop. I worked on Milky Way, which is 100% milk protein. Let's have a look. Ooh. They have this wonderful card. All you need is love. And I have to say, they have the funnest names for their yarns. And my favorite name must be the Knit the Road Yak. Let me show you what I made. I actually made 2 hangs. And let me just undo them real quick for you. Okay, I untangled them. I can tell you one thing. This is so soft. It resembles tencel, but it's not as soft as tencel. And this is the result of my hand dyeing. I have to say that it was a lot brighter when it was wet, but I totally love my pastel rainbow yarn that I got. You know me, I'm a colorful girl. I like me some rainbows, and I like me some turquoises. I am probably gonna knit or crochet a linen stitch / moss stitch caul with it, an infinity caul. Though I do have 340 meters. I don't know. I'm not sure yet what I'm gonna make with it, but I can't wait to work with it. It's milk fiber. I have been wanting to work with milk fiber for ages. But I have a feeling that it will work up like a cotton tencel blend, because that's actually exactly what it feels like. It feels like a cotton tencel blend. And the good thing is it's protein, so you can use acid dyes on it, which makes it easier. You can also use food coloring, for instance. Okay, so that's it. That's my haul. My table is full of stuff here now. Ooh, look at all the stuff. Now I can start working with all of it guilt-free, because I was feeling guilty for not showing it to you guys yet. I hope you enjoyed this haul. I can't wait to see Reggie's video as well, because she also got some awesome stuff. She, by the way, dyed camel yarn. It's called Camelicious. It looks camelicious, and it looked fantastic in the colors that she dyed it. And I have not seen it dry yet, so that will be a surprise for me as well. Okay. I want to thank Reggie again for the wonderful, wonderful day that we spent together. We are definitely going to do more things like that. Absolutely. And now, if you happen to live in Belgium or in Germany and you want to join us sometime, let us know. You can send me an email. It's in the description box down below. I can only thank you for watching, and wish you all a wonderful day. If you like what I do, don't hesitate to like and subscribe and share my videos with your friends. I will talk to you later. Bye.